Hello, good afternoon. My name is Imran Siddiqui. I am a student of EMBA of Daffodil University. Today I'm going to present my case on economic order quantity for minimizing the inventory cost. My ID is 20112 Um, for the discussion of this issue, we have identified a company called Linde Bangladesh Limited, which is a major manufacturer of gases, both medical and industrial gases in Bangladesh over 50 years. The gases they produce are oxygen, nitrogen, dissolved acetylene or DA, and various other industrial gases. So the topic of EOQ model for reordering raw material for the company. The implementation of this EOQ model we are going to show in this case study. I'm not going to the literature review or abstract because you already know what EOQ model is and what is it being used for. But in a nutshell, we can say the EOQ model is the model for inventory management, which has been used to find the how much to order and when to order. Basically, the optimal level of how much to order and when to order, which is good for the company. So the company we are talking about in this case produces dissolved acetylene, for which the major raw material they need to import is carbide. The value of the carbide is almost 20% of the whole inventory. So before going in and explaining into the EOQ model, I need to provide you some assumptions like demand, assuming that the demand is constant and known, lead time is known and constant, capacity and production is uninterrupted, variable cost and only variable cost and holding cost are being considered in this case. So at the moment, the procurement of this company do not have any established policy of how much to order and when to order. So they order whenever they like and whatever quantity they want to. Sometimes they have some vested interest, like if they get a discount, they will order more than that is required and keep the inventory in a warehouse, putting strain on our cash cycle and turning cash into inventory. So in order to solve this problem, I have tried to implement a EOQ model to find out how much to reorder and when to reorder. So at the moment, demand for the material is 100 kg per day. Cost of ordering is 15,000 per order, and holding cost is 0.05 per day per kg, and the lead time that we know is 90 days. So using all this information, we tried to find out the optimum order quantity, or Y. So when we use the formula of EOQ, which is 2 multiplied by order quantity, demand, multiplied by order cost and divided by the holding cost per day. So from that calculation, we can see that the total amount of inventory ordering quantity should be 7,746 kg per order. So every time they should order only this amount. And as the order quantity is 7,746 and demand is 100 kg, the lead time is 77 days only. So according to this lead time, we have to adjust when to order. So from that, so in this case we applied the theory of reordering, and we found out that the 1300 kg is the reordering point. So when the stock level goes down to 1300 kg down, every time the stock goes to 1300 kg down, the procurement should send an order for 7,746 kg, and the total cost of holding is 387 taka per day. This is for the total stock. So I would like to conclude my presentation and thank you, my course teacher, for the opportunity of learning this model and apply this in theory, in practice. Thank you.